And you don't answer me like you sleep up. You're gonna ask about when me and talk about. Yeah? Papa, don't fuck with me. Don't ramp with me. You kill your ears.
Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. You know it's your boy Rush already. And today I have an epic prank for you guys. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the used condom prank on Nikki. So she there at work right now. I'm gonna pick her up in the next say 30 minutes to be exact, which would be about a minute for you guys or a couple seconds. Alright, so let us get straight into this. So I have the condom right here. Thing is, anytime I have condom in the house, I don't know. She always hide them way or something. That's just weird. But anyways, today I gotta do this panel. I couldn't find no condom, but I've ended up going and buy that one. You see me? To a retail store. You see me? So me I go sit the camera here. Alright, so that look good. So I pull it. And what I gonna do is I'm gonna get some saltfish and I'm gonna rub the saltfish on it to kinda make it, you see me. You know sex kinda have an aroma. You know stink, but more when you take it up mind if you do so. Cause you know woman love smell. Alright, so I'm gonna epic fear. You see me? And what I gonna do also I'm gonna chew some alright, so I'm gonna show some like shampoo in it, so make it look like semen day night for real, and kind of rub some salvage. So I'll see you back guys soon. Alright guys, so me have the antibacterial soap in the yellow. So what I do, I have to show some bleach in it, change the color, you see me, so it look kinda, you see how that look? Alright, so I'm gonna see this. Spray it down in it. Crap. Kinda free it up a bit. Spray it light. Oh shit. Now that look like the real shit, people. Watch it. Yo, she go crazy over this right now, me Alfred. Yo, she go mad. Alright, so put that down. Take off this camera. Alright guys. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just press it on the towel like this on the bed. Put this round. So I'm gonna rest it like that on the bed, and then I'm gonna throw the towel like over it like that. So as soon as she come in, she gonna jump on the bed. But just know she stay. Anyways, and I'm gonna put this like this like close to it. I think that make more sense. You know, make it look like me I hide them or something. So anyway guys, please remember to always like, share and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more epic pranks coming on, more videos guys. Please remember, it helps a lot. Alright, so I'm gonna pick her up now and then I'm gonna sit on the camera.
Yeah, come over.
Hey, me da, you see how work going today.
Work was great, but it's hectic at the same time because of this one. I mean, alone. Me alone left back today. But I didn't say me alone left back today. Me state it as that. Me alone, the woman gone, the boss gone, and me have to take all of that and take phone call, and nobody else no want to do it, and me have to say.
So them know say it hectic.
If me could read or me could check.
Okay.
Remember say mistake me. I tell you that straight up.
You have a wash?
Yeah, me just not too long to take out the clothes out of the bag, dirty clothes, basket out this or start anymore. So I say me come in and see my dirty clothes. The pants they right there so. And the pants that dirty.
Yeah, you can wash.
Wash your towel. Search it, you know. So I don't always wash the towel, but you got to tell me some wash the towel like saying something I regular do. I go wash mine, I go wash my towel and I wash your towel. I have money in my pocket, one dirty mask. If you empty the pocket and stop the straws trying to put in the pocket, you know, do it on. about this. So this a sign. Blood clot this.
That was a bad word.
You mean you cuss up bad word for? What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh, me ask you a question. And I say from what year, I see you move away. And I say to myself, say, I ask you, oh you move so. And you don't answer me, you sleep up. You come and ask about when me talk about. Yeah? Papa, don't fuck with me. Don't ramp with me. We'll kill your ears. We'll kill you. Don't you take this thing for laughing thing, brother. No. Woman come here. You can't woman come here. Who come here?
Explain.
I don't want to explain it. What more if I explain this when that done? You laugh like it's funny. It funny? No, it's funny. I want to know if it's funny. And that's why you move so from. Listen, no man, and stop, no man. I'm serious. I'm not laugh.
Yeah, explain that. We'll never explain that.
Somebody a come here. Who a come here? Who a come here? Who you bring come here?
Obvious, sorry.
What? I'm not good enough feel. Chanel, come here. Let me ask you a question.
And that's something.
Who come here from money? Who come here from money?
Nobody.
Sure you not lie to me? Alright. Rapper. Rapper. What is that?
Explain. Alright, so I want to go girl with the girl and so she don't want to chill.
Chill way.
So when
Have a little girl and chill way. No, me ask you, have a little girl and chill way. And chill which part?
you want to chill, I don't know to see her.
Alright, no. Do some
What kind of prank you come and talk about prank you prank me? Don't ramp to me them way, yeah.
Look,
You know what? I go left you so. I go left you so. I go left you so.
Yo, people, yo, she get too serious. We can't take no more time, girl, man. Bombi. You don't see the camera, I might that little part right there.
Which camera?
See camera
The
right here.
camera there.
See camera right here. Watch her eye there. Watch her.
No, I'm not laugh. Take that out of my face because this is serious.
People. She get well serious.
Take it out of my
I don't worry
face.
about the camera, I'm just to say a prank me that prank part. But anyways, thank you so much guys for watching.
If you
Please
can't do
remember
them
to
something,
like,
come
share,
and come and
subscribe.
show them something that
Team
people
Rush
come and-
forever.
come and talk.
Team
And I say
Rush
you come and
forever.
tell me for wash
Peace.
the wheel. For wash
Peace
the
out.
wheel.
Love you.